Are you looking for antique shops in Texas? If so, you can find all antique shops in a city within seconds. Open Safari and type in Texas Vintage shopper.com. Click on the three lines in the top right on the red bar. Click on the blue pull-down Shop Finder. Click on Select Location. Use the scroll menu at the bottom of the page to select the city of your choice. Click Done. Click on the magnifying glass. You will see listings of each shop within a 20-mile radius. Click on Show Map. If you see any clusters that you want to open up, just click on them. Click on the individual icons to learn more about and see the name of each shop. The red icons are the featured listings, which will show photos and more detailed information about the shop. The white icons are the free listings, which will give you basic information of shop name, address with click Get Directions, and the phone number. Just click on the box to open it up and learn more. You can use the Call Now button to call the shop ahead of time. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Get Directions. This will give you directions from your location to the shop's location and connect to your GPS. Click Start.
Head south on West Rancho Diego Lane toward Rancho Verde Parkway.
Thank you for using our comprehensive Texas Vintage Antique Shop Directory. Please pass this information along to your friends. Thank you.